to use GraphQL, you have to use two packages, GraphQL and Express GraphQL. Just go to graphql.org and click on code and supported language. You can use all of the popular programming language with GraphQL. So I'm going to use it with JavaScript. Here it is. You can use Apollo server as well, but in this video I'm not going to use Apollo server for making server. I'm going to use Express GraphQL. Okay, so copy this command, copy this npm install Express GraphQL and GraphQL. Ctrl Shift V for pasting anything on Linux terminal. Okay, it's installed Express GraphQL and GraphQL. After installing it, you have to get these two things. Actually only one thing. We don't need this schema, we just need GraphQL. Okay, here is the simple route we are going to make. Okay, so let's do it. Below this connecting to MongoDB, here we are going to make our route app.use. This is the route where every request will be. This is the endpoint of every request. So actually we have only one request in GraphQL. Okay, in here we'll have some parameters. Okay, in here we have to use GraphQL HTTP, and inside GraphQL HTTP we'll have some option. First option for schema, comma, second option is graphical. This is the tool we are going to use for making request. Okay, this is true or false, boolean value. Okay, now here inside this server folder we are going to create one more folder with name of GraphQL, and inside GraphQL we'll have types. All the types we are going to declare here, and we'll have schema and mutation. If you don't know what schema is, what mutation is, don't worry, I'll explain everything. Okay, and inside schema we'll have a index file. This is how I'm going to structure. Actually this depends on you. I'm going to structure this folder this way because once the data grows, once your website become more large, that time this structure will help you a lot to find out the code and read the code. Okay, you can make all the GraphQL and query in on JavaScript file. You can call anything. Okay, click on GraphQL.js. You see all kind of types we have. This is GraphQL type. Okay, from here just go to GraphQL GitHub. Here you see, let's make a schema first. For that just use, I'm going to use this code as well. So let's go to index.js from our root folder, not schema or not mutation. This is the index from our root. Okay, so here I'm going to make a simple schema. This should be const equal okay, this is Node.js default syntax. Okay, this GraphQL is using schema type, so I'm going to use this schema as variable of schema. Okay, value of schema. Let me schema. Let me make it more sensible. Okay, so let's run the server. Npm run backend. Okay, it's saying GraphQL has already declared it. So what we can do is, let me comment it out, copy this 4 line actually from this curly braces. Here we are going to use this as well. Okay, let me make it uncomment so it will work perfectly. Now it should work. You see, server is running on port 4000 and MongoDB is connected. Let me check our endpoint. Okay, localhost 4000 / GraphQL. This is our only one endpoint. Here we have graphical tool. Here let's make a query. At first you can see some docs. You see we have a root query type. It's saying hello string, so we can declare that. Just type control space. You see we have query mutation and all kind of GraphQL thing. Okay, just write query and curly braces in here, control space hello. This is our only query we have. It's saying hello world. This is the data we are getting as result. Once again, okay, it's working perfect.